Right friends, what's up? Welcome to Career Guidance Tamil Nadu channel. இந்த வீடியோ நம்மளோட நியூ சீரீஸ் 1000 MCQs on Development Administration in Tamil Nadu அதோட கண்டினியூஷன். வாங்க வீடியோக்குள்ளே போகலாம். லாஸ்ட் வீடியோட கண்டினியூஷன் 31st question. Which of the following components are considered for measuring gender inequality index? 1. Reproductive health. 2. Empowerment. 3. Labor market. 4. Dropout in primary and secondary education. Option A 1, 2 and 4 are correct. Option B 1, 2 and 3 are correct. Option C 2, 3 and 4 are correct. D all are correct. And the correct answer is option B 1, 2 and 3 are correct. Gender inequality index is based on 3 components. 1. Reproductive health. 2. Empowerment. And 3. Labor market. The details of the components are given in this picture. 32nd question. Which of the following parameters are considered for measuring child development index? 1. Empowerment. 2. Nutrition. 3. Education. 4. Health. Option A 1, 2 and 4 are correct. Option B 1, 2 and 3 are correct. Option C 2, 3 and 4 are correct. Option D all are correct. And the correct answer is option C 2, 3 and 4 are correct. The child development index is based on 3 parameters: nutrition, education and health, and the details are given in this picture. 33rd question. Which of the following scheme launched by Tamil Nadu government had played an important role in addressing adverse child sex ratio? Option A Cradle Baby Scheme. Option B Chief Minister's Girl Child Protection Scheme. Option C Beti Bachao Beti Padhao Scheme. Option D Special Need Children Homes. And the correct answer is option A Cradle Baby Scheme, தொட்டில் குழந்தை திட்டம். It was launched in the year 1992 at Salem in response to the practice of female infanticide. This innovative scheme ensures babies saved from infanticide and given legal adaptation to childless parents. The revival of the scheme took place in year 2001. 34th question. Which of the following sub-schemes are under Integrated Child Development Services ICDS? Option A Anganwadi Services Scheme. Option B Pradhan Mantri Matru Vandana Yojana. Option C Poshan Abhiyan National Nutrition Mission. Option D all of the above. And the correct answer is option D all of the above. The following schemes are under Integrated Child Development Services ICDS: Anganwadi Services Scheme, Pradhan Mantri Matru Vandana Yojana, National Creche Scheme, Child Protection Scheme, Poshan Abhiyan, National Nutrition Mission, Scheme for Adolescent Girls. 35th question. Expand CCTNS. Option A Crime and Criminal Tracking Network System. Option B Citizen and Crime Tracking Network System. Option C Center for Citizen Tracking Network System. Option D Center for Crime Tracking Network System. And the correct answer is option A Crime and Criminal Tracking Network System. It is a mission mode project under National E-Governance Plan. It is to modernize the police forces in the country. It enables sharing of information between police stations, state officers and security agencies. It also provides citizen an interface to register complaints and to avail citizen services. 36th question. Which of the following services are provided by Tamil Nadu State Wide Area Network TSWAN? Option A Secured Internet Access. Option B Closed User Group Voice Services. Option C Video Conferencing / Streaming Services. Option D all of the above. And the correct answer is Option D, all of the above. T-SWAN, Tamil Nadu State Wide Area Network, commenced its operation on 1/12/2007. It is to provide a reliable and secure connectivity to government departments and to access various e-governance applications. And it is to facilitate sharing of information between various government departments, and it is to provide internet access to the users of the network. Also, it provides voice connectivity to all offices through voice over internet protocol phone, and it also enables video conferencing facility across the district headquarters and secretariat. 37th question, when did Tamil Nadu State Data Center TNSDC commenced its operation? Option A, 2011. Option B, 2012. Option C, 2014. Option D, 2015. And the correct answer is option A, 2011. TNSDC commenced its operation on 1/8/2011, and it was established at Elcott Perungudi Complex. It facilitates consolidated hosting of departmental applications to provide e-governance services to the general public, and these services are extended to the general public through connectivity infrastructure developed by T-SWAN. 38th question, which of the following district is not a part of protected special agricultural zone? சிறப்பு வேளாண் பாதுகாப்பு மண்டலம். ஆப்ஷன் ஏ தஞ்சாவூர், ஆப்ஷன் பி நாகப்பட்டினம், ஆப்ஷன் சி கடலூர், ஆப்ஷன் டி திருச்சி. And the correct answer is option D, Tiruchi. Protected Special Agricultural Zone. In order to save the agricultural lands from the establishment of industries, our Tamil Nadu government made an announcement that Tanjavur, Nagapattinam, Thiruvarur districts and some parts of Pudukottai and Kadalur districts will be converted into Protected Special Agricultural Zone under Tamil Nadu Protected Agricultural Zone Development Act 2020, and it came into effect on 21/2/2020. 39th question, Tamil Nadu government had established Tamil Nadu State Seed Development Agency in which of the following year? Option A, 1975. Option B, 1995. Option C, 2005. Option D, 2015. And the correct answer is option D, 2015. Tamil Nadu State Seed Development Agency. In order to strengthen the seed supply chain in the state, our government had established a separate agency called Tamil Nadu State Seed Development Agency in the year 2015. 40th question, which of the following is the community radio station called as Tamil Nadu Agricultural University Vivasayi? Option A, FM 101.5. Option B, FM 107.4. Option C, FM 106.5. Option D, FM 108.5. And the correct answer is option B, FM 107.4. Community radio station called Tamil Nadu Agricultural University Vivasayi is functioning with a frequency of 107.4 to cater to the needs of 10,000 farmers, youths, self-help groups and to the general public with a radius of 10 kilometers. It functioning from Monday to Friday between 10 a.m. to 12 p.m. and it provides agricultural contents to the farmers in the Coimbatore region. 41st question, choose the correct answer, and it is like match the following question. Major minerals and its sources. 1. Bauxite. A. Sengalvar iron hills. 2. Magnesite. B. Chalk hills. 3. Graphite. C. Sivagangai district. 4. Lignite. D. Neyveli. And the various options are given below, and the correct answer is option C, 1, 2, 3, 4. Major sources of bauxite is Sengalvar iron hills in Salem district and Kolli hills in Namakkal district, and magnesite has been found in chalk hills in Salem district. Graphite occurs mainly in Sivagangai and Madurai districts. We all know that lignite is found in Neyveli. It also found in Mannarkudi and Ramanathapuram districts. 42nd question. Which of the following statements are true related to Kalaichemmal Award conferred by Tamil Nadu government? Option A. It is to encourage the outstanding artist in the field of painting and sculptures. Option B. It is to recognize their meritorious service in the field of traditional art form and contemporary art form. Option C. This award is provided with a cash award of 50,000 and a citation. Option D. All of the above. And the correct answer is option D. All of the above. The Kalaichemmal Award has been awarded to encourage the outstanding artist in the field of painting and sculptures, and it has been provided to recognize their meritorious service in the field of traditional art form and contemporary art form with a cash prize of 50,000 rupees. 43rd question. Choose the correct answer, and it is like match the following question. Museum and its places. 1. Danish Fort Site Museum. A. Tharangapadi. 2nd. Undersea Archaeological Site Museum. B. Pumbugar. 3rd. Prehistoric Site Museum. C. Pundi. 4th. Maratha Site Museum. D. Tanjavur. And the various options are given below, and the correct answer is option B. 1, 2, 3, 4. The various site museums and their locations are given in this picture. 44th question. Which of the following breed is not a Tamil Nadu native breeds of cattle? A. Alambadi. B. Pulikulam. C. Kangeyam. And D. Jersey. And the correct answer is D. Jersey. Tamil Nadu has the following native breeds of cattle: Alambadi, Bargur, Kangeyam, Pulikulam, Ambalachery, and Toda buffaloes. 45th question. How many UNESCO sites in Tamil Nadu till now? Option A 4, option B 5, option C 6, and option D 7. And the correct answer is option B 5. Tamil Nadu has 5 UNESCO sites. 1. Shore Temple, 5 Ratnas, Arjuna's Penance at Mamallapuram. 2. Bragadishwara Temple at Tanjavur. 3. Bragadishwara Temple at Gangaikonda Cholapuram. 4. Airavanath Temple at Dharasuram. And 5. Nilagiri Mountain Railway. So friends, in the video நம்மளோட நியூ சீரீஸ் 1000 MCQs on Development Administration in Tamil Nadu அதோட கண்டினியூஷன் பார்த்தோம். இந்த வீடியோ உங்களுக்கு பிடிச்சிருந்தா லைக் பண்ணுங்கள், மற்றவங்களுக்கு ஷேர் பண்ணுங்கள். ஸோ எவ்ரி ஒன் வில் கெட் பெனிஃபிட்டட். தேங்க்யூ ஃபார் வாட்சிங்.